Hey everyone, today we'll be doing the moss stitch, which is also known as the linen stitch. And for this stitch, you'll want to chain an even number. So we're going to leave a little bit of a tail and start off with our slip knot. If you're not sure how to do a slip knot or how to do chains, I'm going to leave a video link here for you to check out. And for this tutorial, I will be chaining an even number of 18 stitches. We are now going to place a single crochet into the second chain from the hook. The loop here on our hook does not count. And right here is our first stitch. And then right next to it, that's our second one. We're going to place a single crochet into there. If you're not sure how to single crochet, I will link a video here for you to check out. Now you want to chain one. And we're going to skip the next stitch. So skip this stitch, and into this third one, we are going to place another single crochet. And now we'll chain one. Now we'll skip the next stitch, and we'll go into the stitch after that with a single crochet. So yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on the hook, and then we're going to chain one. Skip the next stitch, and into this next one, place another single crochet, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on our hook, and then chain one. Skip the next stitch, and the next one, place a single crochet, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then chain one. So go ahead and continue that pattern, skipping the next chain. Into the next one, place your single crochet, chain one. Continue that all the way until you have 2 stitches left at the end of your row. We are now going to place a single crochet into our last stitch. And then we're going to chain one and turn our work. So now this row and those going forward, instead of placing single crochets into the stitches, we are going to be placing them into each chain space. So this right here is our first single crochet, and right here is a chain space, and then here's our next single crochet. So we are going to place our hook into that first chain space, and we're going to do a single crochet. And now we'll chain one, and now we'll find our next chain space, which is right here. One way to help determine where your chain spaces are is every time you see this little V here, that's a single crochet, and right next to it is going to be a chain space. So as you can see, here's a single crochet, you see the V there, and here's one here. Right in between there is going to be a chain space. So we're going to place our hook into that chain space, do our single crochet, and then chain one. We'll find our next chain space. Here's a V, that's a single crochet, and here's another one. So in between there is going to be our chain space right there. We'll place our hook in there, do our single crochet, and then chain one. Another way to find those chain spaces is by simply feeling. You'll be able to feel that space there, and that'll help you know where to place your hook. So we'll put our hook in the next chain space, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 chains, and then we're going to chain one. So go ahead and continue that pattern into each chain space across until you get to the end of your row. We are now going to place a single crochet into this very last stitch. So place your hook in there, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on the hook. Then we'll chain one and turn our work. In our first chain space, we're going to place our hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, and then we'll chain one, and then find your next chain space, place your single crochet, and chain one. You are going to continue this pattern all the way across the row And then once you get to the end of the row, you're going to place a single crochet into that last stitch, chain 1, turn your work, and you're going to continue repeating that same pattern until you reach your desired length. And that is how you do the moss stitch. If this video was helpful, please give me a like below and please consider subscribing if you enjoy this type of content. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.